How to get car insurance in USA step-by-step guide. Car insurance is a vital requirement for all vehicles owners in the USA. It provides financial protection and peace of mind, ensuring you are covered in event of accident, damages, or theft. If you're a car owner or planning to purchase a vehicle, follow this step-by-step guide to obtain car insurance in USA. Step 1. Determine your insurance need. The first step is the assess your insurance needs. Consider factors such as the value of your vehicle, your budget, and the level of coverage you require. Understanding your insurance needs will help you make informed decisions throughout the process. Step 2. Research insurance providers. Research, research where your car insurance provider in the USA. Look for reputable companies with a good customer reviews, financial stability, and a track record of efficient claims handling. Consider asking for recommendations from family and friends or using online tools to compare insurance providers. Step 3. Obtain quotes. Once you shortlisted potential insurance companies, contact them to obtain insurance quotes. Provide accurate information about yourself, your vehicle, and your driving history to receive the most accurate quotes. Step 4. Compare coverage and rates. Compare the coverage options and rates from different insurance providers. Look beyond the price and carefully review the details of each policy to ensure you are getting the coverage you need. Pay attention to deductibles, coverage limits, and any additional benefits or optional coverage offered. Step 5. Explore available discounts. Ask the insurance providers about available discounts that you may qualify for. Common discounts include safe driver discounts, multi-car discounts, and bundling auto and home insurance. Taking advantage of these discounts can significantly reduce your premium cost. Step 6. Choose the right coverage. Based on your research and assessment of coverage options, select the car insurance policy that best fits your needs and budget. Consider factors such as liability and coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, and uninsured motorist coverage. Step 7. Finalize the purchase. Once you have chosen an insurance provider and coverage, finalize the purchase. Provide all the necessary information accurately and complete the required paperwork. Ensure that your policy is in effect before driving your vehicle. Step 8. And stay informed and updated. Stay informed about your car insurance policy and review it periodically to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Notify your insurance provider of any changes such as address, drivers, or vehicle modifications to keep your policy up to date. Step 9. Drive safely and responsibly. Maintain a clean driving record by adhering to traffic laws and driving safely at all times. A good driving record can help you qualify for additional discounts and keep your car insurance rates affordable. Step 10. Seek professional advice. If you have any questions or concerns during the process of obtaining a car insurance, don't hesitate to seek advice from insurance agents or professionals. They can provide valuable insights and help you make well-informed decisions. In conclusion, getting car insurance in the USA involves researching insurance providers, comparing coverage options and rates, and choosing the right policy for your needs. By following this step-by-step guide, this step guide and step-by-step guide and staying informed about your policy, you can confidently drive with the protection you need on the roads of United States. Remember to drive safely and responsibly, to maintain a good driving record and potentially qualify for additional discounts, ensuring that your car insurance remain affordable and effective. Thank you.